I hope you all have watched the first question in 2.5.15 in exercise 2.5 subdivision 15. We have the first question done already. This is the second question. So I'm not going to explain step by step as in the previous question. So the thing is, they have given area expression as 35y square plus 13y minus 12, and what are the possible length and breadth. If you could write this as a product of something into something, those two things are the sides of the area, like area because L into B. So the process is, if you have this thing, especially you have y square coefficient is there other than 1, then what you need to do is you have to basically multiply these two things. So 35 multiplied by minus 12, which will give you 420 with a negative sign. So we need to be writing something. We need to write this minus 420 as a product of two numbers, which when you add those two numbers you will have to get plus 13. So I'm giving you the choice. 28 multiplied by 15 gives you 420. If you could put minus 28 plus 15 becomes minus 13, so we need minus here over here. When you add 28 minus 15, that gives you minus 13y. So basically 28y minus 15y is equal to 13y. So substitute this over here. So 35y square plus 13y could be written as plus 28y minus 15y minus 12. So this I'm going to write the product sign as a dot. The 35 is 7 into 5, so 7 into 5, y square is y into y, plus 28 is 7 into 4, because here there is 7, so I'm going to try to bring 7 over here. So 7 into 4 into y minus, what is common between 15 and 12? 3. So I'm going to write this as 3 into 5 into y minus 12 is 3 into 4. What I'm going to do is, here if you take up these two terms, 7 and y are common. If you take up 7 and y, 7y, remaining is 5y plus 4 minus, here you see 3 is common, so you can take up 3 out, remaining is 5y, so 5y, because we have taken minus common, so this minus becomes plus, and 4 is over here. If you look at these two terms, 5y plus 4 is common. If you take 5y plus 4, the remaining is 7y here minus 3 here. Then if you compare this with length into breadth, the two possible expressions for length and breadth are 5y plus 4 and 7y minus 3.